In this video, we will take a look at how to manually create an outbound delivery with reference to a sales order and then post the goods issue. There are various types of delivery. We distinguish between complete delivery, partial delivery, and order consolidation. A complete delivery means that the order is to be fulfilled in a single delivery. If a complete delivery is not required, a partial delivery agreement can be maintained. Partial delivery can be useful, for example, when part of the order is urgently needed, or when not all items are immediately available and the available ones should be delivered in advance. There can also be order consolidation, where multiple sales orders are combined into one delivery. For this to work, the orders must have the same shipping point, same delivery due date, same goods recipient, same route, and same Incoterms. In this example, the customer, Leno, has requested a complete delivery of 15 laptops. Start transaction VL01N to create an outbound delivery with reference to a sales order. Enter the shipping point 1010 and confirm by pressing the Enter key. It is important to enter the current date in the Selection Date field. This date determines which order items SAP will select. In most cases, today's date is sufficient. Enter the sales order number in the Order field, if known. If the number is not known, you can use the F for help to search for it. In this example, we will search by sales document according to customer purchase order number and filter by the sold to party. Double-click the desired document to select it, then click Continue. Under the Picking tab, enter the picked quantity and confirm with the Enter key. Under the Loading tab, enter the storage location and confirm with the Enter key. Click the Save button. The outbound delivery has now been saved and an outbound delivery number has been generated. After the outbound delivery has been created, the goods issue can now be posted. Start transaction VL02N. Enter the outbound delivery number and click Continue. In most cases, the delivery number appears automatically. If not, you can also search for it using the F for help. The outbound delivery is opened in change mode. Then, in the System toolbar, click the Post Goods Issue button. Once the posting is complete, the goods issue has been processed and a material document has been created.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.